Hey everyone! I know many of you aspiring streamers out there often feel like you're just not engaging or entertaining enough. But guess what? That's a common misconception. And today, we're diving deep into how you can transform your content, addressing concerns I've heard this time and time again. I'm boring. I don't know what to talk about. I should give up on streaming. But let me tell you something. It's not that you're boring. It's just that you're a beginner. And being a beginner comes with its set of challenges. But each of those challenges has a solution. Today, we're going to tackle them head on. Mindset matters. The main issue many face is the belief that they don't have anything interesting to share. But the truth is, our daily lives are filled with entertaining moments and stories waiting to be shared. Think of personalities like Bill Burr, Ludwig, and even some examples from my own experiences. Quick note, if you're in a rush, I've provided time codes in the description, but I'd suggest sticking around, especially for the last tip. It's a game changer, engaging with the audience. Before we continue, I want to thank each and every one of you for the support on the previous video. Your likes, comments, and subscribes mean the world. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Identifying the problem. Now, let's get to the crux of the issue. Are you streaming for long hours? Trying to fill that time with content? You're not alone. The pressure to continuously produce engaging content can be overwhelming. But here's the thing, quality over quantity. If you're streaming for 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, you might be overextending yourself. My suggestion, start with 3-4 days a week, 3-4 hours each session, diversifying your content. A common pitfall many face is focusing solely on streaming. While it's great to be passionate, it's also crucial to have varied experiences. Ever wonder why memes like "only 90s kids remember this" become so popular? It's because they're relatable. Your daily experiences, whether it's doing chores or binge watching a show, can be turned into entertaining content. Crafting engaging stories. It's not just about mentioning a task. It's about turning it into a story. Let's say you did the dishes today. Instead of stating it as a fact, share your experience. Dive into the details, add a dash of humor, and paint a vivid picture. For instance, picture this. I'm there, scrubbing off cheese from a pan, feeling zen, while my partner tackles my cheese-stained clothes. Who really has the tougher job here? Subverting expectations. Surprise your audience. It's not just about sharing experiences. It's about twisting the narrative, adding a punchline, or ending with a memorable moment. Punchlines give stories a payoff, making them memorable and engaging. Learning from the best. There are many out there who've mastered the art of storytelling. Streamers like Ludwig, for instance, weave tales that captivate and entertain. It's not just about the story, but how it's told. For example, check out a Ludwig video. Conclusion. Remember, every streamer, even the most popular ones, started somewhere. It's a learning process. You're not boring. You're just finding your voice. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep streaming.